Versatile, trendsetter. And showing up is winning half the battle. When showing up is winning half the battle. Come on, just show up, like he ordained you to. Just show up, like you supposed to do. Just show up, cause he anointed you to show up. So show up, cause we got work to do. To the city I'ma show and go for the win, and I'ma blow with the wind. You know it's on once again, that's on what I stand for. And when I say so, I'ma get you know what I came for. Forget what they saying though. Talking loud, reach out with their hands and bless you. It's official business what the spirit and the son did. And if you clearly can't hear me, then you ain't living like really. Cause when your palms are sweaty and when the world is heavy, still the clock steady ticking. The Lord called you gifted, so what you gonna do with it? It's all about love and forgiveness to survive to the fitness. God already did it, and it's time that we live in and to give it up to the Almighty. Forget it if they don't like it. That's your feet off of the spirit and body, cause the world can't divide you from his love. Just live up to your calling and spread the word from above, and live holy as your father was holy, and have the battle is already won. All you gotta do is just show up. All you gotta do is just show up, man, and the Lord will take you to rest. Just show up, like he ordained you to. Just show up, like you supposed to do. Just show up, cause he anointed you to show up. Just show up, cause we got work to do. Showing up is winning half the battle. Never mind what's the matter, it's the obstacles around you. You gotta take it to the altar and reconcile with the Father for the uncommon love. You know the one that you long for, and your spirit wants more. No need to thirst and hunger. The living word is the Holy Bible, the bread of life, and the breed with Christ. Believe what's right, to intercede with the light. You know, walk tight, cause the same in his name. You gotta know that, man. Hold his hand, let him take you through the life, fight your battles for you. And all you gotta do is just call on him, he'll show up on you. Jesus and the Father and the Spirit has always been around you. You can't hide from what's found you. It's time for you to stay true to yourself and know thyself and show up, like he ordained you to. Just show up, like you supposed to do. Just show up, cause he's anointed you to show up. So show up, cause we got work to do.